wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best reptile terrariums. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, made with a sturdy aluminum frame and strong wire mesh, the Zilla Fresh Air will keep your reptile friends right where you left them. It can ensure plenty of light and ventilation, which proves useful if you want to put it outside. It comes with a handy cord access port, however it doesn't come with any assembly instructions and it's difficult to clean. At number 9, it's not nearly big enough for large animals to use full time, but if you have leopard geckos or small ackies, the Ezvid Terra breeding box can be an inexpensive way to house them. It's also good for temporarily holding your pets while you're cleaning their cage. It's a convenient stackable design with an easy access feeding door on the lid, but note that heat lamps can melt the plastic. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Zilla Vertical Tropical is equipped with everything you need to create a comfortable home for your small, scaly friends. The bottom can hold up to 5 inches of water, so frogs and other amphibians will have a place to swim. It includes a mini halogen dome and a ceramic feeding dish. However, the backing is made of a cheap material. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Reptile Terrariums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ZooMed Reptibreeze is an open-air cage in which geckos and other small lizards will love to climb. The mesh makes it easy for them to establish firm footholds while keeping them contained, as everyone knows loose chameleons are hard to find. It's equipped with corrosion-resistant wire and affordably priced, but there's no drip pan to catch water. Moving up our list to number 6. While nominally designed for turtles, the Tetra Deluxe works well with most small amphibians and lizards, especially those that enjoy basking in the sun. The kit includes a heat lamp and a platform for lying out, so your pets will feel like they're at the beach. It comes with a plant mat and a quiet hidden filter. However, you do have to remove the entire lid to feed. Halfway up our list at number 5, the bottom of the Ezvid Terra Nano is elevated, so you can place a substrate heater beneath it. It's great for burrowing animals while still being tall enough to insert branches so that climbers can explore without feeling constrained. It features an attractive rock background, a ventilated front window, and closable inlets for wire management. At number 4, featuring 4 feet of running space, the Carolina Custom Cages Extra Long is great for large iguanas or smaller creatures that like lots of room to wander around. It's equipped with a durable bottom as well as a built-in lock and of course the corresponding key. It includes a convenient snap-on top and assembly is a breeze. It's good for pythons. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, well suited for any beginning herpetoculturist, the Ezvid Terra Rainforest Habitat Kit comes with a sturdy glass home for your pets, along with some accessories to help ensure a successful start. You get a lighting system, a water dish, plants, and a hygrometer. It's available in small and medium sizes and includes substrate. There are helpful setup videos online too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Reptile Terrariums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the waterproof base of the Carolina Custom Cage is large, makes it a smart choice for turtles or other animals that need lots of water to thrive. It also gives you more placement options, as you can set it up on a wooden table or bench without fear of it rotting. It pairs nicely with ceramic heat bulbs and keeps crickets contained well. It's durable and made to last. And taking the top spot on our list, the new and experienced herpetologists alike, the Ezvid Terra Allglass is a clear winner, featuring a dual front door design that makes for easy cleaning and feeding. It also offers a well-ventilated frame with a raised bottom to accommodate a substrate heater. It's equipped with locks to prevent escapes, a removable stainless steel cover, and a decorative background. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Reptile Terrariums, or simply click beneath this video.